Hi guys, this is the Blueberry Girl channel. I will unbox the Winsor Newton Cotman Watercolor's Sketchers Pocket Box model. I'm so excited because this brand has been one of my favorite brands since I was a junior artist. I want to know about the history of this great brand, so I tell you about its incredible journey and history. After unboxing it, I will test all the colors in this magical box. I hope you enjoy it and please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In 1832, chemist William Winsor and artist Henry Newton brought together the scientist's knowledge and the artist's creativity to offer fine artists an unprecedented choice of color, clarity, and permanence. They established their partnership at 38 Rathbone Place, London. This was Henry's home, which was then part of an artist's quarter in which many eminent painters, including Constable, had studios and other colormen were already established. During a tremendous social and cultural change in Britain, Winsor Newton founded their business in 1832. The Industrial Revolution was fully fledged, generating an explosion of technology and trade worldwide, enabling new materials to be brought into England. With their aim of providing the best choice of pigments with the highest permanence possible, Winsor Newton could take full advantage of the opportunities opening up to them and, within a couple of decades, had introduced many new pigments and color ranges. By commissioning the Series 7 brush and granting Winsor Newton the first royal warrant, Queen Victoria's reign was significant for Winsor Newton. In 1840, William Winsor introduced glass syringes to replace bladders as oil color containers. In 1841, Queen Victoria awarded Winsor & Newton their first royal warrant, and the endorsement has been received ever since. Today, Winsor & Newton remains by appointment to HRH, the Prince of Wales. In 1842, William Winsor patented the first screw cap mechanism for a collapsible metal tube. Following this invention, tin tubes were very quickly accepted as containers for oil colors. A few years later, Winsor & Newton could uniquely offer moist watercolors in tubes. This has become the standard container for color. Artist Pierre-Auguste Renoir says, "Without painting tubes, there would have been nothing of what the journalists later called Impressionists." Winsor & Newton's own William Winsor patented a particular iteration of the tube, significantly impacting artists' use of color. In 1866, the Series 7 brush was created. Queen Victoria ordered Winsor & Newton to produce the finest Kolinsky sable watercolor brushes in her favorite size, the number 7. In 1881, a few months before his death, Henry Newton sold the business to the newly incorporated firm of Winsor Newton Limited, which included members of both families among the shareholders. The Newton were employed until the late 1970s. In 1892, dedicated to creating the most stable and permanent pigments, Winsor & Newton were the first to publish the composition and permanence of their colors. In 1937, Winsor & Newton introduced designer's gouache, a highly pigmented, opaque watercolor. Designer's gouache became the most popular medium used by graphic designers. In 1939 to 1945 World War II. Manufacturing of colors continued with priority going to the rough map and reconnaissance department. In addition, the skills of manufacturing artists, watercolor boxes were used for making soldiers' canteens. In 1946, brush-making factory opens in Lowestoft, UK. After the war, a new site was needed. The East Anglian port of Lowestoft proved perfect, as the skills required for mending fishing nets could be transferred to drawing knots for brushes. In 1970, Winsor & Newton introduced their first range of artists' acrylics, a revolutionary water-based paint that has become as popular as oil color. In 1976, the company introduced the first alkyd color for artists. This fast-drying oil color range enabled outdoor artists and designers to complete oil paintings in a fraction of the time required with conventional oils. In 1992, by acquiring a new patent, Winsor Newton introduced this innovative oil color in stick form. Designed to match existing oil colors, it enabled artists to draw with oil colors. In 1996, new colors are added to artists' watercolor. With the availability of new pigments, 35 new colors are introduced into the range. In 1998, it was launching a range of oil colors and mediums that could be thinned and cleaned up with water, allowing artists to enjoy oil color without using hazardous solvents. In 2007, Winsor Newton celebrated 175 years of color making. Anniversary celebrations include reforming the then obsolete small watercolor as a limited edition. Winsor Newton introduced many products with new formulas and color pigments, making a vast impression on the art industry. Winsor Newton is built on art and science. In my opinion, these two factors are enough for making and inventing incredible products. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe to my channel to support art and artists. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.